Hi everybody, have you ever thought why the terms bulls and bears are referred to in the stock market? This is Manisha Vinod. I am here to share some amazing facts of commerce that will blow your mind. Well, let's have a look at this. A bull market occurs when the price of the securities is on the rise, whereas a bear market occurs when the price of the securities is in the fall. Did you get any idea why the terms bulls and bears? One of the main reasons is the manner in which these two animals attack. Yes, you heard it right. The bull charges ahead. Oh my god! Thrusting its horns up in the air, whereas a bear will use its claws to grab and drag its victim down. This is the same with the stock market conditions. If there is a rising trend, the stock market is considered to be charged up, hence bullish. On the other hand, if there is a falling trend, the stock market is considered to be dragged down, hence bearish. Wasn't it new to you? See you in the next session. Till then, bye.